Hi, it's Meg from Meg's Garden here today to show you the latest junk journal, and I consider this one a layered journal because I've used two different cardstocks, the black and the mocha, and I've added other different shades in the papers. This is the cover. The outside of the journal is done in the black, and here we've got the mocha. This is one of the pages. This is one of the art journals that's done with ephemera and trinkets. This is the spine, layered with the mocha, and one of the cut and creates. And this is the back, also layered. This is one of the pages. They're 5 by 7, but this one has been cut down to fit inside the two layers, and there's just an envelope with the 3 ephemera in there. Opening it up, we've got the first 2 pages. This is the back of the cover, and all of the ephemera have been layered by backing with the black cardstock. Another tuck-in spot here. This is with a scrap of corrugated paper. There's an old book paper inside the message bottle there. This one only has the one signature. I didn't want to make it too fat, and this is the signature itself, and you can see that it's attached to the spine there. This is another piece that is glued underneath the signature just to add a little extra to the journal. When I was attaching the first signature, it just didn't seem to have enough pizzazz. So let's get into the first journal. Each of the papers, there are 12 papers altogether, all in vintage style, and 6 cut and creates. This is a little book that was attached to the signature by creating a 1/4-inch spine down the middle, and then that's just glued to the signature. I love these little vellum envelopes. They're very effective. There's just a piece of jute twine tied around it just to give it a bit of extra interest. This is the inside of the little book with more ephemera and an old page that's rolled up and tied with the jute twine. This is just a cut off from one of the pages. This is mocha, and this is just a cut off, and it's just attached to the back of the little book as a tuck-in spot. This is another of the pages and another little bottle, effective little embellishment. Down the side we've got corrugated. Here we've got Aladdin's lantern, so hopefully it will work its magic. This page is done with stacked papers, and this is the back of the signature. Then this is the extra piece that's glued in underneath, and I've got another little book that has a 1/4-inch spine, and it's just glued down. Vintage ephemera inside, and then just a piece of the jute twine to create some interest. And then this is a piece that's been folded over and corrugated added. The collection also has 2 papers that are lined. This one is just folded over, and a piece of an old book is just inked and distressed there. And then this is the other lined paper that's just folded over and tucked in. And on the back of the paper, on the back of the book, I'm sorry, is just another paper, and vintage trinkets and some of the ephemera, and then this is the mocha. And I really like the effect of the layering of the two cardstocks. It brings out the details in the paper, but it also creates a little bit more interest. And back to the back of the book. It's very full, lots of embellishments, as I usually do, but it does stand by itself. It doesn't need to have a closure. The spine is 2 inches, so I think it's quite effective. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed watching and got some ideas from it. I'm signing out now. Bye for now. This is Meg. We'll be back.